In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic content to Klaviyo emails. Let's walk through the exact path in Klaviyo and talk about how to make your emails feel personal and relevant to every subscriber. Start by opening Klaviyo and heading to the dashboard. From the main navigation, click Content. This is your workspace for building and organizing every element that goes into your emails. Next, choose Templates to access your reusable designs. Then open the email library. This is where you'll find ready-made templates that you can personalize and turn into dynamic on-brand messages. Use the search bar to quickly locate a style or theme that fits your campaign. To refine your choices, apply the filters. Template type helps you narrow down formats crafted for different purposes, like promotional emails or flows. Seasons and holidays is great for aligning your content with upcoming events. And layout lets you pick the structure you prefer, such as single column or multi-column designs that suit your content density and mobile goals. When a design catches your eye, click on it to open the preview and review the structure. If it matches your needs, click Use Template to start customizing. Inside the editor, you'll see three core panels. First is Blocks. This is where you add and arrange content like text, images, buttons, and more. To make content dynamic, personalize text with profile properties from your list, like first name, or use logic to show or hide blocks based on segments or behaviors. This approach ensures each person sees what's most relevant to them. If you use product data, you can pull in items that update automatically, so your email reflects real-time availability or recommendations. Next is Styles. Here you set consistent fonts, colors, spacing, and backgrounds. While this isn't dynamic content on its own, clean, consistent styling helps your personalized elements look seamless and professional across devices. Then explore the content panel for managing assets like images and brand elements. With a solid asset library, you can pair dynamic text and blocks with visuals that match your brand and campaign theme, keeping your emails cohesive even as they adapt per recipient. When you're ready to validate your work, click Preview and Test. Use this to render the email as different recipients would see it, confirm that personalization fills correctly, and check how conditional sections behave. Send a test to your inbox to verify formatting, links, and mobile responsiveness. If anything looks off, return to the editor to tweak the copy, rules, or design. That's it. Your Klaviyo email now delivers dynamic content that feels personal, timely, and aligned with your brand.